Welcome to the lake life you've been searching for. This beautiful property sits on an acre of land and features 120 feet of lake frontage right in the center of South Shore of Big Cedar Lake. There is additional land across the street with a 3-car garage, 2 sheds, raised gardening boxes, and plenty of parking for all those lake day visitors. A 3rd shed is down near the lake for storing your boating and lake toys. This ranch is situated on a finished walkout basement and has great lake views from all the back windows. The best views can be found sitting out on the very large decks, offering 3 bedrooms, 2 on the main level and 1 on the lower level, and 2 full baths. The expansive living room features a bar area and has all the space needed for entertaining. The 3-season room off of the living room is an ideal spot to drink your morning coffee while looking out over the lake. Big Cedar Lake is a ski lake from 1 to 4 daily, and there's still time left to enjoy summer at the lake. Call Ben Craver to learn more about your dream lake home today.